Have you ever stopped to wonder where the first personal computer came from? It may seem like a simple question, but the answer takes us on a riveting journey. Back to the dawn of computing. The realm of early computational machines was a world of whirling gears and clicking switches. It was a time of mechanical marvels like the analytical engine, conceived by Charles Babbage in the 19th century. Though never fully built in his lifetime, Babbage's engine was a precursor to the modern computer. It was designed to crunch numbers using a series of intricate gears and levers, a far cry from the sleek devices we're familiar with today. Meanwhile, the 20th century heralded the arrival of electrical computational devices. Machines like the Colossus and ENIAC used vacuum tubes to perform calculations at speeds previously unimaginable. However, these behemoths, often taking up entire rooms, were hardly personal or accessible to the average individual. The technological landscape was rapidly changing, and so was society. The post-war era was a time of optimism and exploration, a time when the impossible seemed within reach. It was within this backdrop that the concept of a personal computer began to take shape. Inventors and innovators, dreamers and doers, began to envision a world where computing wasn't just the domain of academics and governments. They saw a future where individuals could harness the power of computing in their own homes for their own purposes. A future where technology was personal, accessible, and revolutionizing. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, we find ourselves at a pivotal moment in history. A moment where the promise of the future meets the wisdom of the past, and the boundaries of what's possible are about to be redrawn. As we delve deeper into the past, we encounter the pioneers who would revolutionize the world. The visionaries who would reshape the future were now stepping into the spotlight. A group of bright minds, each with their unique backgrounds and perspectives, converged on a shared goal: to create the first personal computer. There was Steve Wozniak, an electronics whiz kid, and Steve Jobs, a visionary with a knack for seeing the bigger picture. Together, they co-founded Apple, a name we all recognize today. Then, there was Bill Gates, a Harvard dropout, and Paul Allen, a self-taught computer programmer. Their collaboration led to the birth of Microsoft, another tech giant that revolutionized the world. These pioneers didn't have it easy. They faced countless challenges, from lack of funding to skepticism from peers. But their passion for technology and belief in their vision kept them going. One day, amid sleepless nights and endless brainstorming sessions, it happened. The light bulb moment. The idea of a computer not as a massive, inaccessible machine, but a personal device that anyone could use. A tool for individuals, not just institutions. This idea marked a significant shift in the technological landscape. It was bold, it was ambitious, and it was exactly what the world needed. But turning this vision into reality was no easy feat. It required innovation, perseverance, and a bit of madness. Yet, these pioneers were up for the challenge. They knew the potential of their idea and were willing to do whatever it took to make it happen. Against all odds, these pioneers held on to their vision, pushing the boundaries of possibility. The journey to the first PC was paved with groundbreaking technological advancements. The tireless endeavors of countless engineers and scientists led to a series of breakthroughs that would forever transform the realm of computing. One of the most significant milestones was the invention of the transistor in the late 40s. This tiny device, smaller than a grain of rice, was capable of switching electrical signals on and off. It was far more reliable, durable, and energy efficient than the vacuum tubes used in early computers. The transistor marked the dawn of the second generation of computers, shrinking bulky machines into room-sized ones. Yet, the quest for compactness continued. In the late 50s, the integrated circuit, also known as the microchip, took the world by storm. This marvel of engineering could house thousands of transistors on a single piece of silicon. It was a game-changer, heralding the era of the third-generation computers, which were smaller, faster, and cheaper than ever before. Meanwhile, software advancements were keeping pace. High-level programming languages like Fortran and COBOL emerged, simplifying the process of programming. These languages allowed programmers to write instructions using English-like syntax, which was a significant leap from the machine language and assembly language of the past. Parallel to these, the concept of a graphical user interface was taking shape. It promised a future where interacting with computers would be as intuitive as reading a book. This was a stark departure from the then prevalent text-based interfaces, opening the doors to a more user-friendly computing experience. The 70s then witnessed the advent of the microprocessor, a single chip that could do the work of an entire room-sized computer. This was the final piece of the puzzle, the key that unlocked the door to the era of personal computers. All these technological leaps, from transistors to microprocessors, from complex codes to user-friendly interfaces, were stepping stones on the path that led to the first PC. Each breakthrough brought us closer to a future where computers were not just tools for scientists and corporations, but companions for every individual. The stage was set for a revolution in computing, one that would change our world forever. Finally, the world was introduced to the first personal computer. In the mid-70s, amidst a wave of technological breakthroughs, the first personal computer was unveiled, forever changing the course of human history. This wasn't just a machine, it was a revolution compactly housed within a beige box. The first PC, a marvel of its time, was a testament to human innovation and ingenuity, a tangible result of years of relentless effort and collaboration. This groundbreaking device came with specifications that, while modest by today's standards, were nothing short of extraordinary in that era. It was equipped with a microprocessor, a keyboard input, and a monitor output. It had a memory measured in kilobytes and operated with a simple command line interface. The PC was designed to be user-friendly, a machine that could be operated by anyone, not just the technologically savvy. The unveiling of the first PC was met with a mix of awe and skepticism. Many were astounded by the possibilities it unlocked, while others questioned its practicality. Yet the personal computer would soon prove its critics wrong. It transformed not just the tech industry, but also permeated every aspect of everyday life. From education to entertainment, from business to healthcare, the PC started to reshape industries, one byte at a time. The immediate impact of this invention was phenomenal. Businesses began to automate their processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity. The education sector turned to computers for interactive learning, making education more engaging and accessible. In healthcare, the PC enabled better patient record management and advanced diagnostic tools. The PC revolutionized communication, breaking down geographical barriers and connecting people across the globe. It was the dawn of a new digital age, an age where information was just a click away. Yet the first PC was more than just a catalyst for a technological revolution. It was a symbol of human potential, a testament to our ability to dream, and then turn those dreams into reality. It was a beacon of progress, illuminating the path towards the future. The first PC was more than a machine, it was a dream turned into reality. The first personal computer was just the beginning of a technological revolution. Indeed, the birth of the first PC was a critical turning point, marking the start of a new era where technology would become increasingly personal and accessible. But the journey didn't end there. With the concept of a personal computer now a reality, the stage was set for a rapid evolution in design, functionality, and influence. In the early days, PCs were large, cumbersome machines with limited capabilities. They were often seen as tools for the tech-savvy, not everyday household items. But as technology advanced, PCs began to shrink in size and grow in power. The huge room-filling machines of the past gave way to sleek desktop models, and eventually to portable laptops and tablets. And it wasn't just the physical design that changed. The functionality of PCs evolved dramatically as well. They became more than just number-crunching machines. They turned into tools for communication, creativity, and entertainment. Word processing, graphic design, and even video gaming became possible, opening up a world of new opportunities and applications. As PCs became more user-friendly and affordable, they started to influence every aspect of life and industry. They revolutionized the way we work, learn, and communicate. Businesses became more efficient, education became more accessible, and people across the globe could connect in ways they never could before. Now, fast forward to today. PCs have become so ingrained in our daily lives that it's almost impossible to imagine a world without them. They're at the heart of everything from scientific research and medical advancements to digital art and social media. And with the advent of technologies like artificial intelligence and virtual reality, the potential for future innovation is virtually limitless. But while the PC has come a long way since its inception, its core purpose remains the same: to empower individuals with the tools they need to explore, create, and connect. And it's this enduring mission that continues to drive the evolution of the PC, ensuring its legacy lives on. From a dream to a reality, from a concept to a revolution, the journey of the first personal computer is truly a tale of human ingenuity and perseverance. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to imagine, and have the courage to turn our visions into reality. It's a story of progress. And it's a story that isn't over yet, because as long as there are problems to solve, questions to answer, and dreams to realize, the story of the PC will continue to unfold. It's a legacy of innovation, a legacy of transformation, and most importantly, a legacy of empowerment.